Hey, it's Ricardo from Fireside Weekenders. Today we're going to be installing this wireless door lock system by Latch.it on our Salem FSX. Stay tuned to the end of the video for a special discount promo code.
Our very first impressions of this product was that it was nicely made. You can feel, just by picking up the box, that this product felt durable and not made of plastic. The components were nicely packaged. It came with anything and everything you needed to install, including a protective gasket for doors that may need it, and this handy tool that can be kept for many future projects. We decided to go with Latch.it after seeing a post on social media recommending it and doing some quick research ourselves. We were happy to see that this was an American-made business. Some of the other features that really intrigued us was that it was cheaper than other brands. It included 2 key fobs when others only included 1, and it also had a backlit keypad so you could see at night.
Let's begin by removing the factory lock. Now we can go ahead and start installing the new system. Now that we have the front side of the keypad installed, we can go ahead and put the back side. When you plug this harness in, you're gonna hear a beep. I've gone ahead and modified my system to disable that option. This particular company does not currently offer a feature to disable it just by the press of a button. I'll go ahead and link a video in the description below of how you can do that yourself. While we're putting this in, we have to make sure to be careful not to get any of the wires pinched, especially this cable right here, because this is going to be the antenna to the wireless key fob. Now that we have the system hooked up, we can go ahead and program it. The way that we're going to do that is we're going to press and hold the number 8 for 2 seconds. While still holding the number 8, we're going to press the lock button. We have 5 seconds to put in the old code. Then we're going to enter the new code twice and hit the lock button at the end. Now we can go ahead and program our key fobs. This system actually comes with 2 key fobs that you can program. In order to do that, you're first going to turn on the wireless receiver by pressing this button right here to the on position. Then you're going to take a paper clip and insert it into the fob learn slot. and press the lock button simultaneously for 2 to 3 seconds until the lock engages. In order to do the other one, you basically follow the steps over again with the new remote. Now we can go ahead and test the system. And that's it. It's that simple.
We purchased this product directly from Latch.it and did not receive any special discounts for this review. After reaching out, they offered our viewers $30 off of this product. Be sure to add the promo code FIRESIDE at checkout to receive your discount. Psst. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.